Thank you for joining me. Welcome to TJ's Maths Clinic. In today's presentation, we are looking at this perfect quadratic expression. That's perfect square quadratic expression. Let's look at how we can handle this question. The question reads, find the value of k for which 16x squared minus 24x plus k is a perfect square. That's perfect quadratic expression. What will be the value of this constant k? I'll be using three approach or methods to handle this. Let's write down the solution and look at method 1. We have our solution now. Then we have method 1. Any quadratic perfect expression can be expressed as ax plus b all squared. Let's expand this. A squared, we square the first term, that will be a squared x squared plus, we add this, then we multiply it by 2. That will be axb times 2. That will be 2abx plus, we square the second term, that will be b squared. This will be the expansion. Then the next thing for us to do is to relate this to the given quadratic perfect expression. From here, the coefficient of x squared is 16 and the coefficient of x squared here is a. So it means a squared will be equals to 16. To find a, we square both sides. A now will be the square root of 16 will be plus or minus 4. The value of a now is plus or minus 4. In the middle, we have 2. The coefficient of x is 2ab. Coefficient of x here is minus 24. So it means 2ab will be equals to minus 24. But we know our a to be plus or minus 4. When a is positive here, let's substitute a as plus 4. That will be 8a now, 8b rather, will be equals to minus 24. Divide both sides by 8, b is said to be minus 3. When a is minus 4, what will be the value of b? Here we'll have minus 8b will be equals to minus 24. b now will be, we divide both sides by minus 8. Minus 24 divided by minus 8 will be 3. So we have minus 3 and plus 3 to be the value of b. So b now will be equals to plus or minus 3. So if b is plus or minus 3, but we know that the constant here is k, and the constant in this expression is b squared. But we're looking for k. So we know that k, by comparing now, is equals to b squared. But we are told that b is nothing but plus or minus 3. So our k now will be plus or minus 3 all squared. K now is said to be plus 3 squared is 9, minus 3 squared is still 9. So the value of the constant k is nothing but 9. So this is method 1. Let's quickly look at method 2. Permit me to clean method 1 so that we can look at method 2. Are we going to still get 9? Let's see. Then you choose which method is easier. Method 2 now. We have 16x squared minus 24x. Let's put this in bracket, then we leave space here. What is common here is 8. Let's factor out 8 into 16x squared divided by 8. That will be 2x squared minus 24x divided by 8. That will be 3x. What do we do next? We find half the coefficient of x here and square it. That will be minus 3 multiplied by a half all square. What are we going to have? Minus 3 square is 9. 2 square is 4. We have plus 9 divided by 4. We close the bracket. Let's multiply through by 8. 8 times 2x squared, that will be 16x squared minus 8 times 3x, that will be 24x plus 8 times 9 over 4. 9 over 4 times 8. 4 here 1, 4 here 2, will get 18. That's 9 times 2 is 18. That will be plus 18. Here, 2 is common. We can reduce this. We can divide through by 2. Let's divide through by 2 and see what we are going to get. Very important. Okay? Our aim is to find k as 9. Method 1, k is 9. So let's reduce this. 2 here, that will be 8. That will be 8x squared now, minus 24 divided by 2, that will be 12x, plus 18 divided by 2, that is 9. By comparing now, we can compare this now. K now is what? The value of our K now is nothing but 9. So we are still getting 9 by comparing. The constant here is K and the constant here is 9. So K is 9. Very important. That's method 2. Let's look at method 3. That will be the last method. Any perfect quadratic expression, it means the discriminant, which is given as b squared equal 4ac must be equals to 0. It means b squared minus 4ac is equals to 0 for every perfect quadratic expression. It means b squared, this is the discriminant now. The discriminant must be equals to 0. Very important. So let's relate this. It means any quadratic expression, for any quadratic expression to be a perfect square, it means for this ax squared plus bx plus c to be a perfect quadratic expression, it means b squared minus 4ac must be equals to 0. It's a condition. Very important. So let's relate this. What is our a? Our a, which is the coefficient of x squared, is 16. B, which is the coefficient of x, is minus 24. Then c, which is the constant term, is k. Let's work on this. Are we going to get 9? Let's see. That's method 3. Let's substitute now. Anywhere we see b, we put minus 24. That would be minus 24 all square. Will now be equals to, or we can say minus 4 into a is 16, multiplied by c, which is k, will be equals to 0. Our m is to find k. Very important. 24 times 24. Let's do it here. What are we going to get? This is 16 carry 1. This is 8 plus 1, 9. This is 8 and this is 4. This will be 6. This is 7 carry 1. That will be 5, 7, 6. So we have 5, 7, 6 minus 16 times 4. This is 24. That's 4 carry 2. That will be 64. That will be 64k, which is equals to 0. Our aim is to find k. So let's connect like times. 5, 7, 6 now will be equals to 64k. If we break this here, it will be positive. Let's divide both sides by 64. Let's divide both sides by 64. So that our k now will be, our aim is to find k as 9. Or the third method give us k as 9. Let's see. K now will be equals to 576 divided by 64 is going to be 9. Let's check whether it is true. Multiply 64 by 9. Are we going to get 576? Let's see. 9 times 4 is 36. Put 6 carry 3. 9 times 6, 9 times 5 is 45. Bring another, that will be 54. 54 plus 3, that will be 57. Truly, k is 9. You see that the three methods are giving us the same result. So this is the solution to this question. Thank you for watching. Please do share this to your learned colleagues. And don't forget to subscribe to TJ Smart Clinic for more interesting videos. You can follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. See you in my next video.